funky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Srilekha. Today is Valentine's, but if you like watching this video 2 days later, but anyway, happy Valentine's Day. Hope you had a great time with your loved ones this week. Today I thought of sharing a get ready with me video for a date night in case if you wanna recreate this look. So watch till the end of this video. It's gonna be a very dewy, natural yet a glamorous look. So yeah, so I have only used a face wash, so my face is really dry. So let's prep the skin with some moisturizer. Okay, moisturizing is done. I'll first tie my hair because it's really uncomfortable like this. Next I'll use this sunscreen. This sunscreen is by Aqualogica. Whether it's day or night, I can never miss sunscreen. This sunscreen is my favorite because this leaves no white cast. That's the good thing of this sunscreen. In my previous video, I noticed that there was a weird kind of a lighting in my face. My face was looking so white, and that's only because of the lighting, I swear. So this time I hope I have adjusted the lighting correctly. So today's makeup is a little bit dewy and natural, so I'll use a foundation by mixing it with moisturizer because I don't want a full coverage look. I want to make it look as natural as I can. Mixing my foundation with moisturizer. Next I'll use concealer, just a little bit of concealer. I'll use concealer only where it is needed. That's it. My skin is very pigmented around my lip area, so I have to use a lot of concealer. And also guys, do follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of like pictures, reels over there, so it would be nice if you people follow me there. Okay, I have a red pimple here. I have to use some concealer here also. For pimple, I think it's good to use color corrector, but I don't have one, so I'll use this concealer. Looks a lot lighter with this. Base is ready. Now I'll use contour. I don't use contour every single day. Only for special occasions I'll just use it. Contour makes your face looks very chiseled and sharp. And I use some loose powder to avoid creasing. Let's move on with our eyebrows now. Let's make a outline first, then I'll go by filling the empty sides. Let's move on with our eyes now. I'll make a wing liner only on the sides. This side looks great. I'll now use a highlighter in my inner corners. This is a stick highlighter. This product, this highlighter by Insect Cosmetics, is so good. It blends like a dream. I'll now, वैसे ब्लेंड का उतना ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं. I'll now use mascara. I messed it. I'll let it dry and then I'll just scrape it off. Okay, I think this one has dried. I'll now scrape it off. I'll now use a little bit of compact. Next I'll use some blush. This blush also has some highlighter. Let me show you. So highlighter अलग से यूज करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइट में उतना पता नहीं कि रिंग लाइट में समझ नहीं आता है. I'll show you in the natural light as well. For lips, I'll wear this pink shade from My Glam. The exact shade is Sugar Mama. So makeup is done. I'll now move on to my hair. I watched this viral hairstyle in Instagram, so I'll just try that and let's see if I can do it or not. Middle partition first. I hope I don't feel in this. I'll take few strands of my hair and apply this kind of a rubber band. I'll use rubber band here as well. बस बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा गैप रखना है. यहाँ एक रखा है, यहाँ एक रखा है, यहाँ एक और रख देती हूँ. Now what you have to do is I'll insert few hairs from the middle. इसके गैप में भी एक डालना है. When it comes to doing hairstyle, I'm very bad at it. That's why I just like to keep my hair open most of the time. क्योंकि मुझे आता ही नहीं है हेयर स्टाइल करना. जैसे हो गया है. Now I'll secure it with a clip. Now I'll do the same on the other side, but it's off camera. So this side is also done. Securing it well. I'll now straighten my hair in the front side to make it look more clean. You can even curl your hair in the front side, that would also look nice, but today I'll just straight it. Okay, I'll now change my outfit. I got this dress from Amazon. It's a little black dress. It's a backless dress, so I'll wear this nipple pasties for the first time. Let's see how this goes. I'm not sure if it is gonna work or not. This is how it looks. Okay, it's a silicone cup. It's very soft. I hope I can reuse this. Let's change it. So as you can see, nipple pasties do work. It is totally seamless and कितने देर तक ऐसे रहेगा. Okay, I'll show you the whole outfit in a bit. I'll wear these heart-shaped earrings because it's the time of love. Gold will go really well with black. Earring looks pretty good. Okay, I'll put it inside. I think it's kind of nice, so I'll just wear it. I'll wear a watch and some perfume. I'm wearing this gold watch. I'll wear these heels. Let me show you the back. This looks sexy as well as cute at the same time. And yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's makeup look, and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram and support me as well. So I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.